In case unknown spam callers are bothering you with their everyday nuisance, it's time for you to apply some very effective settings I'm going to share with you today. Let's get started. So number one, you have to silence unknown callers. And for that, this method is going to keep all the unknown callers at bay and automatically silences all calls from the numbers that are not in your contacts list. For that, go to Settings, Phone, Silence Unknown Callers and turn on the switch for Silence Unknown Callers. All the unknown calls are sent to voicemail and appear on your recents list, so you can return to the call if it's legitimate. Next is to block the number. Robocallers cycle through thousands of phone numbers and many include the same telephone prefixes as your own phone number. For blocking them, you have to open the phone app and tap Recents, tap the info icon next to the number you want to block and choose Block this caller and then Block Contact. Next, you can try blocking with apps. There are several free third-party apps that can help you block incoming spam calls. For example, Hiya, RoboKiller, Truecaller, and Call Control. Each service offers a premium tier that kicks in extra features if you subscribe. These apps also have a basic version for trial and you can try them to block unknown callers. So that's it for today, guys. We hope that now you can stay stress-free and block the unknown callers in your iPhone.